Bobo itong mga gagawin to kung hindi nila ginawa yun.
They have no participation in all three versions of the master list that you gave.
They have a master list. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Bobo itong mga gagawin to kung hindi nila ginawa yun.
Mr. President, if I may remind you to please refrain from using foul language para po hindi po mapunta sa record.
It's not. It's bobo is actively bobo. There's
Mr.
no other word for it, actually.
Just a reminder. So please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr.
Mr.
Chairman,
Chair.
I won't belabor the point.
Mr. Chair.
Because,
Mr. President, it's not bobo, it's gago. You said gago a moment ago. Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman, may we move to delete the word GAGO in the record of this Congress?
There is a motion to strike off from the record the word GAGO as pointed
You
out
object,
earlier.